it's Basma talking here, and today I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to draw faces, heads, bodies, and hair for girls. So I'm not gonna draw for boys or tutorial for boys because I don't know how to draw for boys. So before we start, be sure to subscribe, press that notification bell, and like this video. Share and write in the comments what I should draw next. So let's start off by drawing a sketch of a circle for the head. Yeah. So sketch out that circle and keep it neat. Put a little line in the where you're gonna make the chin, and do this kind of obtuse angle thing, and never make straight lines. Always do a curve in the part that there's a curve. I don't know. And yeah. Now mark out where the eyes will be. I don't put it inside the circle. I put it between it and between that place where there's the chin or the face. Then you can erase the circle. And now just erase it lightly so that you can see the lines, but not really. Now do triangle shape for the nose. And yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, you have to do line in the middle so you can make a symmetry for the head. And now do this kind of M shape, not to M, but like this shape for the mouth. And here's a close-up so you can guys see well. You do this, what I'm doing, and just shade in from the sides and the upper lip, and put the nostrils on the top of the triangle in the top corners. And now put these kind of, I forgot what they're called. And now you can erase the triangle, but not too hard, so you can see your outlines. And what I do is I shade in the nose so that it looks cute to me. It looks so cute. Now I'm just gonna start with the eye. You do a curve at the top and another curve, but don't forget to do the eye duct, or I forgot its name, but that thing which makes the eyes, I don't know what it's called, but like that thing. Now do lines so you can do blush. Guys, by the way, this is my style of drawing. If you don't like it, I guess you can see another artist, because I like to draw this style. It's not too real, not too cartoony, not too anime, not too anything. It's just, this is my style. Here I draw the eyes. You can see what I'm doing here. And now I put the highlights. I think I should have put the highlights before I do the shading, because now the other eye looks kind of dull and weird, but oh well. Now we're gonna do the eyelashes. To me, I do the eyelashes tall at the beginning and even at the end, but I like this look. I don't like doing too much eyeliner. I just like the way I did this. By the way, guys, I made something new. I'm gonna when you subscribe to me, I'm gonna surprise you with something. I may subscribe back, or I may do anything surprising. If you subscribe, like, share, and comment that you subscribe. And when you comment, just DM me on my Instagram account and show me a picture of what you did. Also, follow me on my 2 Instagram accounts here, and go follow my cat's account, because you're gonna see some cute things there. So now I'm gonna do the hair. I did this kind of bang look. Bangs, I like bangs. So I just erased the other ear, and I did this kind of look. I can give you more tutorial on hair in the next video, but for now I just showed you the tutorial for the head. I did not give too much details on the hair. It's just the face and the head. And here's me doing this whatever. What's whatever? Whatever.
Guys, I don't know why my grammar is so weird today.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna do the, I don't know what happened to the head. What happened to the head? Help! The head's dying. Okay, I'm overacting right now. Okay, so I just do this thing in the middle. And here is me just, I start the hair by doing dark lines at the middle or where the hair comes from. And little by little, I make the hair more faded. I fade the hair when I'm going more in the actual hair. So here's me shading or fading or doing this thing. Like I start out dark, and little by little I make it lighter and lighter. And here I just do it darker and lighter and doing this, so I can make the hair look like it has highlights, or you know, this kind of look. Here is me doing the rest of the hair. I actually love her. I love the way she looks so much, even though she's just pictorial. I wish I could have done her whole body, but I made it in the middle of the page, so I couldn't. So here's the face. If you want to take a closer look, I've added some freckles because I think it looks so cute. I love the face. I love the freckles. I love everything. And now let's start out with the body. I do the neck and this thing for the shoulders. I kind of did the shoulders a bit tall, long. I think they're a bit long. And I do this kind of rectangle, but I made the rectangle a bit like wide, but this rectangle for the chest area, and a circle for the waist, and a triangle for the feet or the hips, or you know. Now I erase it lightly so that I can see it still, so I can sketch out her body. There it is. Here is me doing a line in the middle of the legs, so that there is two legs. So I just do this oval shape so I can give parts to each leg, and I just go in this motion so I can do the legs. I go up and then down, and then like I just make it wide a little, and then I close it, and then I do the feet. I did them wrong because it looks like she's stepping on her own feet, and that doesn't look cute. So I make a kind of square shape, but like rectangle, which is, I don't know how to tell you what I mean, but this kind of shape you guys see. And I'm just putting some touch-ups. Of course, this is not my best, but I just did it because giving you this tutorial. So yeah, here it is. Now I don't know what I'm waiting for, but yeah. Just giving more touch-ups here and there and here and there and there and here and there and there and here. Okay, I should stop now because this is cringe. This is cringy. I'm weird and cringy and weird. Okay, so I'm just doing the top. I like these big tops. I see they're so cute. Here's me doing the arm. So I just do this kind of look and a circle, and then I put the muscles this way. I need the arm a bit tall, and you're gonna see me erasing it now. I know myself. Okay, this is so tall. Don't do what I'm doing right now because this is very long, very long. So just wait for this long hand. This is what you should not do. You should mark out where the hand is, but don't mark it in a very long position. See, I made it a bit shorter, if you can tell. And here is my fingers. I hate doing fingers, you know. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I do the hand, which is like um bend what bending, I forgot. Yeah. So I just do this and I make a line over the upper part of the arm. There's me doing fingers and failing, of course, but just doing it anyways because I cannot leave her hand empty because I hate doing fingers. They're the hardest. I don't know they're the hardest part, but they're so hard and so annoying, and I don't know if it's good or not. So I just made sweatpants for stretch for this, and I made a bit too, like, a bit of clothes at the end. Here's me just, I don't know what I'm doing, shading or doing whatever I'm doing. I just want to add some touch-ups. And here's the knees. Guys, she is wearing pants, so don't say a thing. So here I am doing the shirt. And yeah. Her hand is a bit fat, so I'm just gonna do this. I added a bracelet so it looks nice. And I added a heart so I can make it look cute. Hee Wow. Okay, so I should stop right now, or I'm gonna. Oof, I guess you guys clicked out of the video because of how cringy I am. The ultimate cringe, I'm doing the shoes, but you guys can't see because, of course, my camera is not in place because I am the best at recording videos. And I'm just doing a small necklace in her neck, which makes her look, and more bracelets. And what am I freaking doing? Okay, so I'm gonna give you a close-up because I finished. Here is the face, here is the body. She looks, I think that helps. If it doesn't, let me know so I can give you a more detailed tutorial for, sorry about that, so I can give you more details on each thing. Each video gives you a tutorial about something, and I hope you guys enjoy and learn something new. So bye and keep smiling. Love y'all.